I gotta fix. Hold on, I gotta fix a couple things. I know. I don't want to be bothered, so I gotta close that every time. Let's go chat. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm low key hella sick. I've been sick since like yesterday. Well, 2 days ago actually. Hold up. Okay, so just gonna let this go for a little bit. I gotta set up a couple of things first. Let me see this. I low key hate when the weather is like so inconsistent. So I live in Minnesota, and every time summer is about to happen, like winter does not want to go away. Spring is here, but winter is still here. Summer will show up once every 3 weeks. It's just so inconsistent, man. Oh, that's who called me. I was wondering who just rang. Okay. I got down with this low key. I did a poll on my story. It said, uh, would you rather have a stuffed nose or would you rather have a sore throat? Which one would you guys pick? Me personally, I can't do I can't do sore throat. I'll take sore throat over it depends. I'll take stuffed nose. Nah, low key I'll take sore throat over having a stuffed nose. I can't do that. But if I were to pick one, that's what I would pick though. I'm just gonna set this up in a little bit. Give me a sec. Dude, my nose has been bugging me all day, man. Should I send this to you? What's 25? What a time to be alive. Am I getting old? I am with. We are about 6 weeks away from graduation. I don't even know if it's 6 weeks. I think it's like 4 weeks actually. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow. Really like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Well, like 28 days until graduation. That's crazy. Yo, I actually need some allergies, meds. If you guys have some, let me know. Bro said I'm gonna pin that. Yeah, I'm going through it right now, bro. I'm going through it. I'm not gonna lie. I'm just gonna go over like how I passed my evals. So I ended up buying 2 accounts today, and I'm gonna show you guys like what you can do to like copy and paste. So it's very simple. Like people would try to complicate trading, or those who are just trying to make money off y'all. Like you don't need to pay any money to anyone, bro. But bro said I need some Chinese meds. I'm dead. So yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Dude, I need to get out of this sickness. This is actually atrocious. Okay, I'm gonna start sharing my screen now, and then we could go. We could get into things. Let me see if I can show my whole screen. I want to start with this. Okay, showing this right here. All right. Can y'all see this? Okay, so on the left here we have the funded account. Well, we have the evals, as you can see, evals, and then this is my funded, which is active right now. So the goal is for me to get 5 funded accounts, and then I already made a trade today. I made 340. All I need is a minimum of 150. So this is good for today. I'm not going to trade until tomorrow, and then once I trade tomorrow, I just have to make 150 or more as like a minimum profit, so you can make anything over like 150, so like 500, 600, 1000, 2000, and so on. And then at evals, you have a 50,000 balance, and you have your minimum balance where you can hit is 48,000. So if you lose 2,000, you fail the eval, right? So if you get $47,999, you failed it. But your profit target for you to pass the eval is 3,000, which is right here. And then once you hit 53,000 with your 50K balance, so you get 3,000 in profit, then you pass the eval. So pretty simple. Don't try to complicate it. A lot of people tend to complicate things. But again, another thing that I realized that I had struggles with was the consistency. Like I would make a lot of trades, but I wasn't really consistent, right? Even though I was making a lot of trades, like today I would make 2,000 in profit. Tomorrow I'll make 6,000 in profit. The next day I'll make 1,000. But all I'm hitting for today is 1,500 today for this account, and then this one 1,500 for this account. And then from there, I can trade tomorrow, and then once I hit the same amount, like 1,500, I'm able to make profit on there. So again, it just varies depending on like um how well you like want to trade. But I'm gonna show you exactly how I do it, and then you can also copy this as well and do it yourself. But it's very, very simple compared to like a lot of people who try to complicate it. What stocks do you trade on? I trade on. I'm gonna show you. I mean, I trade on gold. Gold is probably like my best trade, I guess. But I trade on gold, silver, which is this one, and then Nasdaq. I have a love-hate relationship with Nasdaq. I do not like Nasdaq. Some days I don't like Nasdaq, but the majority of my trades have been like from last week to this week has been Nasdaq. But it varies. It really varies, though. I'm not gonna lie. I'm sounding a little bit better. Sorry, I just gotta pop my vitamin C real quick. But I was telling people earlier, like Minnesota has the worst weather I've ever seen. Like I don't get this state. Summer is here, spring is still here, winter is still here. Like, bro, we're literally April. Like, how is it 30 degrees out? Okay, so we're gonna do our entry right now. All right, uh, as you can see, we know price is going down. So it's bearish. Bearish means price goes down. Price was going up like this. It's bullish. So bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish. How I use it for me to remember it, I just think about a bear. A bear swipes down, bearish, and then the next one's a bull. The bull swipes up, bullish. That's how I remember it. Some people like to do other ways to remember it as well. So we as you can see, price structure on at on Nasdaq. I'm so sorry, man, but I'm trying to get out of this cold. Price action on Nasdaq is going down. I'm gonna check out gold. This is a new trading platform I'm trading on. I used to trade on Alpha Future and Trading View, but this is Trade C and then Lucid. A lot of people like Lucid, to be honest. I mean, Lucid is cool, but I feel like it's just very exactly what you want to trade on. You can just go from there. Okay, so let me check out silver. So all I need for this account is, okay, so that's the funded. This one's active, so we know price is going. Has an upward trend, kind of. Let's check out gold. So we got gold on here. Gold and silver is kind of like the same though. This is 2 minutes. Let's go 1 hour. I'm gonna move this up here, like right here. 1 hour time frame. Can we go dark? It always does this. I don't like this, bro. Like, what is this? All right, so price is going up on gold. I'm gonna trade NAS low key. I don't like to do minis. Some people like to do minis, but I'm gonna stick to micros. Price push down. What is this like? Where's the circle one? There's this like circle thingy you get on here. What is this? Pitchfork, horizontal line. I gotta delete this. Okay, let's just start marking up our charts. So we got this one right here. Go from here to here. No, here's this one. And it goes up. So this tells me price is going down because risk is lower. This is lower than this one. So whenever price beats the lowest lows, it means it's going down. Like clearly you can see it's going up like this. This varies, bro, honestly. Okay, price is still fighting that, so we're just gonna wait for entry. Yeah, that's very true. It's usually like the opposite with gold and Nasdaqs. So far, like see how this one, like if you look at this, like let me see. Bro, I wish I had my other platform. I'm gonna pull it up. I'm gonna pull it up because the trading view is better than TradeC, and like I'm able to see a lot more. So we'll just wait for this to load. I don't know if y'all can see this or not. Can y'all see this? Can y'all see this? Okay, I think it's slightly delayed. It is slightly delayed. All right, it's gonna show up. Okay, so like Johnny said that gold, whenever gold pumps, Nasdaq dumps. I mean, so, it varies. I think all of it depends on like like what's going on in the economy, because sometimes gold will be dumping and then Nasdaq will also be dumping, but majority of the times that tend to be the case, but not all the time. Like gold and silver are very similar in like many ways. Like if gold is going up like this, silver is going up like this, gold is also going to go up. But again, like the price, like where gold is at, like 4,600. If we go from 4-hour time frame, we reset the chart. As you can see, like I marked this up right now. Like this was previous when I was trading. So you see, price is going down, but you go to NAS, price is also going down. So it just varies. It varies on what's going on in the market right now. So okay, I think we're gonna enter a trade. We're gonna enter our trade right now. So let's do NQ. We're gonna trade NAS. I'm not gonna do mini, just because there's 3 lots. Okay, so we're in our trade. Take profit. We'll do here. I might do a little bit of like higher lots, but I want to be able to be in a position where I'm not having to like wait for this to go up. I do about like I want to hit like less than 10 trades for me to make 1,500. That's what I'm aiming for. Other people like to go like, they like to wait the whole day, but me, I'm just here for like a couple hours. So okay, this is 1 hour time frame. Let's go to 2 minutes. We're gonna reset this chart. This is what it looks like on a 2-minute time frame. So you see the difference. I'll put this up here. 2 minute, 15, reset. Put this back, 15 time frame. So this is gonna go up. That's what I'm hoping for, but price is going down. I suggest all the time to trade where price is gonna go. Obviously, if I was in this for long term, I'm just going to trade. I'm gonna go to 1 hour time frame, reset the chart, and then what is price doing? Is price going up or is price going down? Price is going down, so I'll place my trade as a sell. Because it's going down on the 1 hour time frame, I'm gonna trade where price is going. This is generally how I see is I trade wherever price want to go. Like for this, if price was going up, from this standpoint, price was going up, I would trade up. Just trading is kind of like, people think like you have to do the opposite of what it's doing when it goes up, but you have to wait for entry. That's all it is. Once you wait for entry, you can be able to place your trade. But if you're not waiting, you just want to do like quick stuff, I suggest to do this. So 1 hour time frame and at 4 hours, reset chart. 4 hours, it shows like this was on, let me see, like April. What was April? April. So this was April 1st, was right here. Price is going up, so you can see. But now we know like price is definitely going to go up based on what's happening from, February 26th, February 25th, up until, April, which is today. And then now it's showing on March 30th, price went the lowest low, like the new low, and then now it's going up, it's going up. So it's fighting it, like it's fighting it. If we were to go from, let me see. So we're sitting at 100 right now. I'm gonna go to 2-minute time frame and a reset. And then I don't want to hold this any longer, so I'm gonna close it. And then price is going down, so I'll do a sell. Take profit. My lots are like really low. What the hell is going on? Is this on my funded? Oh, okay. Oh, that's not my funded. I thought I was trading on my funded. I was about to say, what in the world? But no, this is an eval. So I need 3,000 in profit, which is what I'm showing here. You need to hit 3,000 in profit right now for these two. So I'm going to try to hit this today. So that's what we're really focusing on. It's like we want to be able to hit this today, but my lots are not, it's not letting me put more down. I guess I got to have more liquid for me to trade with, for me to put more lot. So I'll do like 4 lot and then 4, 5. And then when I place those 4, 5, like this number will be like, instead of like $2, $10, it'll be like 200. So I'm gambling more, but I'm risking a high win. What's good, Seep? Seep is in the house chat. See, my TikTok is gonna be back on by like Thursday, Friday latest. Oh, I'm trying to focus on that more. Fierce has just been having like a slow turnaround. But yeah, so um I'm gonna explain how evals work. Eval, you get a 50K funded account for $80. And when you go here, you go to add new account, go to Lucid. So these are the rules, like you get reset fees $95, 3,000 in profit. You can only lose 2,000. But then you have to realize that um you have to realize like how much you're trading is based on how much the eval that you're going to buy. So if you have a 100K eval, you have to make 6,000 in profit. If you have a 50K, you have to make 3,000 in profit. But as you go up, you can see the difference with this. It's a lot more. Sorry about that, y'all. It's a lot more. It's a lot more. So with this, I would suggest for you to do the 50K eval, and then once you do a 50K eval, your profit target is 3,000. Usually with this account, like Lucid Trading is what I trade on. I trade on Lucid and Alpha Futures. Lucid Trading is one of them, and then when you do it, do Trade Sia. Trade Sia will give you like a code. Sometimes it bugs out, it doesn't load, but we'll see if it loads here. Okay, again, it's bugging per usual. All right, so when you do it, it's gonna be like $86, $85 around that time, around that price range, 86, $85. Yeah, so this is like, I don't know, like buyers and sellers are, NASA's gonna figure it out. I think it's gonna go up though. To be honest, I think it's gonna go up. I kind of rushed my entry, but we'll just see what happens. Yeah, we'll wait. We'll see what happens. Seep says, congrats on I appreciate you, bro. I really appreciate it, man. Due time coming after 6 years of talking about getting a Corvette. It finally happened. And it's funny, like this shit happened after I broke my arm, like a year after I broke my arm. I think it's gonna be in like 2 weeks. 2 weeks from now is when I actually broke my arm a year ago. But uh it just, dude, life is weird, man. Life is just weird as hell. I don't even know how to explain it, bro. Life is actually so weird, bro. And it happens to be like when you're at like the worst time of your life, when everything just is just flourishing. Like, I'm not telling anyone to go break their arms. Definitely do not do that. Don't break your arm. I got 19 screws in this arm right now. Luckily, I'm just blessed to be able to even move this around, and I'm at loss for words. I have no idea how I'm able to even be able to have my arm right now. But you know, shout out to God, man. Yeah, I'm gonna drop Lucid link in here. Let me drop it here. Lucid Trading. It's like account summary, so hopefully it doesn't get my uh where is it? Is it this one, right? Yeah. Okay, so I just dropped it in there. Let me know if you can see that. So we're at